Yes, well, as ready as I'm gonna be, so.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Townsend and we are here at Eagles Canyon Raceway just outside Dallas, Texas. Probably about a 2.5 mile track through the rolling hills. Beautiful out here. And we're in the all-new Lexus IS 500 and we're gonna go for a ride.
What about any specs of the car? I think this is the big V8, right?
Yeah, naturally aspirated V8, 472 horsepower. You know, brand new IS chassis. It's got the Lexus driving signature, and we're going to give you a taste. This one has a few mods for a little extra fun.
So that's how you do it.
What's that?
That's how you do it. That's like my So you said this car is has a little bit adjustments, I guess?
Yeah, it's got special wheels. It's got a free-flowing exhaust modification and also a rear wing that we added. And a really exciting paint scheme.
I was gonna say that.
Yeah,
pretty
so
cool.
it gets your attention,
color,
sure.
yeah, absolutely. Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Thank you. What did you think?
I love it.
Good.
By the way, this track is not easy, huh? Very technical,
It's
a lot of
very
elevation,
technical. Yeah,
a lot of blind turns.
yeah.
So I was in the Supra before, and I obviously didn't do any job even close to what you do. Obviously, you're a professional. I'm not at driving.
But it's a fun service.
But yeah, it's really fun. So thank you very much.
Okay.
And we're gonna get
Let me back up before you get out.
Yeah. But the stock car, I mean, obviously is very capable too, right?
Very capable.
Yeah.
And a lot of fun and really good balance. You can manipulate the car quite well.
Yeah.
Understeer and oversteer just with your feet, you know?
Yeah.
So it's really nicely done.
Thank you very much.
Okay, nice meeting you.